don't misunderstood. It's not everywhere that's filled with hate. This place is beautiful. Look at beautiful California, guys. Look at the beautiful California, where you find love, where it never rains. It rains a few times, but not that much. Look at the palm trees. Look at this beautiful ocean. This is California, guys. Beautiful California. YouTube is here in California. And Google. Yeah, they're all here down the road. California is beautiful. Don't underestimate the power of hate. They let you think, oh, this is just a bad place. It's toxic. It's filled with crimes. It has bad people. No. Look, beautiful ocean.